Hi guys, so this is a quick update about the AirPods Pro. I just discovered a pretty big annoyance, and I'm actually, oh, this is super annoying. I can hear it now while I'm speaking. There's this buzzing sound inside of my left head earphone, AirPod, whatever, and it's really annoying. It sounds like a blown out speaker. Zzz. There's this buzzing sound. It's hard to describe it, but it's basically a buzzing sound. Sounds like the internal speaker is blown out or something, which is super annoying. I'm gonna have to schedule a visit to Apple and have them look at it. I just read online, I Googled it, and on Reddit, some people are saying they have to get it replaced. Some guy said he tried resetting it and it fixed it, so I'm gonna try that. But another guy said resetting had no effect. So let's hope it fixes it, but this really sounds like the speaker is blown out or something. Just very, very disappointing. I've had them for just a couple of months. So we'll see. I'll give an update when I resolve this.